Muscle ups can be extremely frustrating, attempting to break out over the bar again and again, but we just can't quite do it. But today I have a very simple fix, a fix that I've used on so many of my clients at this specific stage in their muscle up journey. And today we're going to be going through exactly that and why this exercise in particular unlocks the muscle up movement. But first of all, and for complete clarity, this is for people who are just falling short of being able to get that muscle up. Perhaps you get your elbows up, but it doesn't quite click together, or your friends call you clucky because you have to chicken wing over the bar with one arm over at a time. And so if you're at this point, this video will likely be the final thing that you need in order to get smoothly over the bar. But for those of us that are still more in that absolute beginner space for the muscle up, then check out one of the videos that will be popping up here in the corner, as that's more specific to beginners and will give you a head start on that muscle up journey. Okay, all of that out of the way, the technique we go through today is designed to specifically tackle all the things that are often missing at this almost there phase of the muscle up. We need explosive power to get that pulling height, we need the correct body position to get around the bar, and we need full body tension. Anything less and we're unlikely to get the muscle up well. This exercise hits all of these, and I call it the dead stop pull up. It's essentially a variation of the L-sit pull up, and the setup is very simple. Side note here, the name I've christened this exercise is absolutely killing me. So if you can think of a better name for it, then please drop it down in the comments. We need to start sat on the ground under a bar that you can reach from this seated position. I'm using a barbell just because it's adjustable. Set with our hands shoulder width apart, and we want to pull explosively upwards, visualizing getting our chest over the bar. Now at first this might not even feel possible. We might not be able to pull very high, or we may need to bend our legs in order to even move off the ground in the first place. But here's why this exercise fixes all of the problems that we typically see for people who are just not quite able to muscle up. With the legs in this position, we're forced to maintain a hollow shape. If we arch our back during the pull part of the muscle up, or pull with a focus on scapular retraction, we won't get around the bar. Our pulls need to be focused on downward rotation of the scapula, and it's this shift in focus away from just retraction that allows for us to pull higher in the muscle up. And it's the same here with our dead stop pull-ups. By sitting on the ground after each rep, there is no momentum build-up. Every rep has to be completed by generating pure explosive pulling power, which we also need on each muscle up rep. With the legs straight in front of us, we also have no choice but to create the sort of full body tension that allows us to get the muscle up as well. And by the way, crowd, this video is powered by my bar muscle up program, which will help guide you through the muscle up journey step by step. Link will be down in the description below. But coming back to the dead stop pull up, doing pull ups in this way can be a real challenge. So if we need, we can use a band to help us get our heads around how to pull effectively. But if you find yourself needing an extremely thick band, or this movement just feels so far away from where you are now, then I would actually recommend taking a step back towards earlier muscle up progressions. Crowd, the dead stop pull up name is a work in progress, but it really does work. And it doesn't just work because it's some quirky social media tricky variation. It works because it tackles the key issues that most intermediate muscle up practitioners face. If you want to understand how to use this exercise, I would say substitute it in for your pull ups during your muscle up training. And if you want to understand what the best muscle up progressions are, then check out this video right here.